Check it out, people. Hold on, let me grab it. Today, with the mods continuing, we're gonna be installing just a little backrest. You know, something for them long commutes where I can just sit back and chill. Nothing crazy. So, without further ado, let's kind of cut the music. There it is, and let's jump into it. We can make it work, baby. Woo! I might have to customize this one. I don't know. I ain't really got too many problems with this seat. So far it's been so good, but it's, you know, nothing fancy. Money. So that's real low. I think we're gonna try that right there for a second. See how we like it. See how we like it. See how she rocking. See. Comes with another wrench. Which is real nice. So you can adjust it. As you tighten it down, it sits back. Not too shabby. Mounting the seat. Got him off the bracket, y'all. Give me the That's my secret. Wait. Oh man, I gotta lean way too far back. Nope. Let's turn it around real quick. We're gonna turn it around. Yeah, we're gonna try it like that. Gotta go up high with it. Hold on. I can dig it, y'all. Okay. All right, got the seat installed. Got a real nice position. As you can see, it literally looks good. It's got the zipper on the back for your money or whatever, your wallet, your keys, whatever you want to put in there, which is nice. I forgot the name of this pad, but now I have it so you can just pull it out. And then I already have the seat undone. And I'll show you guys how it looks. But as you can see, it's got the support down here. And I have it on the last setting. I did have to adjust the actual top screw, which you'll loosen this bolt up down here. Actually, no, you'll loosen the top bolt up and you'll get it a little bit higher. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna lower it a little bit. And then you loosen the bottom bolt up and you can make this pretty tight seal. I haven't wrenched it down yet, but I'm gonna put the wrench on it and just tighten it down the top nut. And then from there, you can put your seat on in and out. I actually have the screw all the way out because I like it going flush. And it just feels good that way. So, hey, that was the install for driver backrest. And hey, until the next video, who knows what I'm gonna do with this thing, man. There's so many things you can do. But I know one thing I'm gonna do first and the most of is riding this baby. So hey, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Oh, and if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe.